Most of us don't realize we are breathing shallow because our nervous system is not regulated. We are stressed, we are anxious in our nervous system, we are feeling rushed to do certain things in our day-to-day life. But how do you change it? To change, you need to bring attention back to your body. You need to bring attention back to your source, which is your breath. So today I want to offer you 3 simple breathing practices which can change your life completely. So the first practice is full yogic breathing, because most of the time we are breathing shallow, and this practice can support you to breathe more. So first, tuck your thumb and just fold your fingers and bring it close to your navel, and this is called Brahma Mudra. And in this mudra, we're going to breathe through the belly to our chest and our clavicular. So we inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And as you're breathing, I also invite you to slow down your nervous system in a way where you're counting slow. So you're going to count for 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it together. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful, everybody. Now, as you already know, let's do it for 7 times. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Keep going. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last time, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful, everybody. Now let's go for the next practice, and this is called somatic breathing. This is such a beautiful and powerful breathing practice which can tap you into the parasympathetic nervous system. So I'm going to show you how. So we're going to breathe for inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the moment you exhale, I also invite you to bring the sound of ha. Okay, so let's do it together. And you can simply keep this mudra. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful, everybody. And now just gently relax yourself. Breathe through your belly for some time. And the final practice is a simple and gentle meditation. Bring your attention to your nostrils Simply observe the sensation of the inhale and the exhale as the breath moves in and out. At the same time, allow your belly to soften and rise naturally with each breath. Let's stay here together for 10 breaths. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this practice and I hope it helps you regulate your nervous system. Practice it every day for just a few minutes. Over time, you will notice yourself feeling calmer, more present, and more connected to your body. Trust me, it can make a profound difference in your life.